For me, the most defining thing was that, we were brought up, I was brought up in South Bombay and went to a very anglicized school, the Doon School. So fashion took me to an India that I would have never seen and I grew to love. So it educated me about our country and our craft, which we weren't exposed to and I'm deeply attached to. That's been the biggest joy for me, at the cerebral level. And I love this country and I love the craftspeople, and that's who our work is based on.
And it's always evolving. So, how do you approach designing bridal collection now as compared to the time when you started?
So when we started, people were still referencing the costumes of Royal India, right? Because India had been socialist and that was the thing. We were kind of redefining ourselves. Now we've redefined ourselves. We're global Indians, We wear Western clothes. We are comfortable in our skin. A lot of women are educated. They don't want to, wear 10 necklaces. They want to be comfortable. Everyone wants to. Every wedding is dancing till 6 in the morning. So designers have to work. We fulfill a need in life, We're not some random independent thing. And I think the best marriage is when you do beautiful things that are relevant to your lifestyle.
And also, sir, you have been in the industry for 30 years. So, what do you have to say to the younger generation, who want to make an impact?
It's very hard work. Do it if you love it, because you've almost got to. It's not like you have to be a slave to it. It's just like you've got to be that creature where your mind is constantly on it. So if I have to go to work on a Sunday, as long as it's doing something I enjoy, I don't care, because, it's what I need to do. It's part of what I do. People might think it's very glamorous because of the ramp and they see shows. That's 25 minutes. This is 6 months of work. And it's built on a legacy of many years. So I think people need to understand that.